Hey everybody, this is Christian Givens, your favorite DMV realtor. Today we are checking out my new listing in Capitol Heights, listed at $375,000. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 lots, and parking, which I want to show you guys before we head inside. On this side, you have parking for at least 4 cars. So lots of space here for you to park and to have lots of gas, plus plenty of street parking, as you can see in the neighborhood. But you're here to see the inside, and let me tell you, this home is special. So let's check it out. Welcome in. So this home has been completely refreshed, meaning that the walls have been painted. There's new flooring throughout the main levels and the bedroom. So we have these beautiful 7-inch wide engineered hardwood floors, this white oak color, which is one of my favorite colors right now. It's absolutely trendy, and I think it's here to stay. Beautifully staged as well. As you can see, you have a nice living room, nice dining room space, and you have this beautiful classic kitchen. You have your granite countertops, your subway tiles, your white shaker cabinets with your stainless steel appliances. On this side, you have the butcher block, kind of like a little island here. You can have bar stool put here. And I love the knobs that they chose for this home, like elephant-like. And I don't even know what to call this, but it has so much character. Washer and dryer is stackable, and they're right here through the kitchen. You guys also need to check out this yard because, like I said, it's a huge selling point for this home. So you have a nice deck, have a nice L-shaped sectional here, storage shed right there, and this nice big flat yard, which is fully fenced in. So if you're having parties, you can easily open that door there for the gate, have your guests come right to your backyard and not track any dirt through your home. All right, so your first bedroom is on this level, plus your first full bathroom. Here is bedroom number 1. This will make a great office space or guest room. Or if you want it, you can make this your primary bedroom, but I think my preference is to see the primary upstairs. And here is your full bathroom with a standing shower. Your basement access is right over there, just used for storage. And let's go check out the other bedrooms and bathroom. Alrighty, so here is your second full bathroom, which has tile floors. This is what I would call the primary bedroom. This is the largest of the rooms here. Staged by yours truly. So I did the staging in this room. I like doing staging, sometimes it's kind of fun. Here you have your closet. So there's no racks here or doors. The owners wanted you to choose what you wanted here. So it's a blank canvas in that regard. And here is the third bedroom on this level. Really spacious as well. Lots of natural sunlight, and you have this nice separate dressing area with the closet as well. All right, let's go chat downstairs. All right, you guys, let me know what you think about this home in the comments. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you so much for coming. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, as always, I'm super thankful for your support. Please like, comment, and share with a loved one. If you're looking to buy or sell in the DMV area, my name is Christian Givens of the Givens Group, and thank you so much for touring with me. Peace and grace.